Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing the window regulator on the driver's side of this 98 Camry. I've already taken the door plug out here and the one out here and removed the screws, the trim screws, and then I removed this corner trim. It's just a pull and it comes right out, you can tell. And then also on the bottom of the door here, I don't know if you can tell, but there's one here and there's a screw there. So the next piece that has to come out is this master control, which there should be a little pusher here, not on this side, and then you should be able to pop it right up like that, and then it should come straight back and out, and then you can undo the control here. And then there's a couple screws we will take care of, and we'll have to lower the window a little bit when we get to it, but I'm going to take out the screw here, and I'll take this door panel off. Remember, up here you got to actually wedge something up here to pop this out, and wedge something down here to pop the lower of this trim out, otherwise you'll break it after removing the screw back there. Okay, so I'm going to get that done and we'll take the door panel off. Alright, all the screws are out. I'm just going to pull, and then the bottom should just pop right out. I hope I got rid of all the screws anyways. Oh, I think there's one right here. Again, I forgot one. Okay, and then we'll pop it off. Okay, now we're going to take off this little access cover. It's held in by 3 screws, and then that will give us access to the area. And then we can get the 10 mil bolts, I believe it is, that hold the other pieces in place. And then we can get the little cover off, and then we can lower the window and hold in place, and let's replace that regulator. Okay, I lowered the window, pulled the, of course, the splash shield away. I lowered it so you can have the 2 access points to remove the 2 bolts. Then I'll raise the window and I'll use the suction cup, okay, to hold it in place while I remove the regulator. And the regulator is held in by these 3, and then this one right here, and then one looks like right here. So there's a total of 6. So we'll get to that, okay? So let's get that, and then I'll raise the window and bring you back. Alright, it took a little bit to get it around this little thing, pull it out, but I got the window supported on a thing, so now I'm going to remove the bolts to get the regulator out. Alright, so this is an aftermarket. I got the unit from Amazon, so there is no centering eye here, and there's no hook here, but the 6 bolts and also this lined up pretty well. And so now I'm going to drop the window, and so I can get it into this, and then we'll line up the window that to the core. I think I might have to actually flip. We're going to see if this actually works the way it's supposed to. Alright, this side was wired correctly, so I'm good here. I'm just going to tuck it in back over here and get to sit. I got the window dropped to the point where it's actually going to, now I can put the window in place and then put the nuts in there, okay? So let me do that. Alright, let's give it a full test here. Up. That looks good. Down, even the auto function, perfect. Everything looks good. So let's button this up and we should be done, okay? Alright guys, all back together, and a window that works, because probably there were some flat spots. So, but otherwise, there you go. All done. Thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and guys, have a great day. Take care now. Bye.